Hi there, welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video tutorial, we're going through with you. You can check for specific keyword ranking on SERPs, search engine result pages, in a different location. All right. So just to explain a little bit more about that title is usually when we want to check for a specific how we're ranking for a specific keyword, let's say for example in London, we tend to put in the keyword then London, which people don't really search like that who live in London. So we're going to show you a quick tutorial how you can check that without adding the keyword London to it, but just that keyword. Okay. So as you can see, I am at my Chrome web store and we're going to install an extension called Nightwatch. This one right here, but I'm just going to show you how to install it first. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to hop over to your Chrome web store, and then at the search bar here, you want to type in Nightwatch. So usually it's the first thing that will pop up. It's with the black owl there. So you want to click on that. Awesome source. Now that you have that, you want to actually install it. As you can see, I already have it installed, so I'll be removing it if I clicked the blue CTA. So you want to install it. Doesn't take time, doesn't need credentials. Awesome. And then once you have it, you want to click on it and your extensions, and then it will pop by over here. Awesome source. So what's pretty cool about Nightwatch is it's actually free, first of all. Second of all is you can choose the search engine that you want. So right now it's currently only Google that's available, which is awesome. But I'm sure if you upgrade, you'll be able to check for other search engine results. Awesome. So this is the queries. This is where you practically put in the keyword or the search that you want on Google. So we're gonna put in there SEO agents. Awesome. So now that we've typed that in, we want to select a country. So I want to keep it the UK, but you can pick from the many countries that are there. Awesome. So we keep the UK, and then we choose a language. So we want to keep English because the UK predominantly English speaking. And we can if when you're done, you can perform the search. What's really cool about this tool is you can find the URL that you want. Like for example, you want to search for different places. So in this instance, I want to put in prolemon.com, but I'm not because I just want to show you something quickly. So just make sure the spacing is correct there. Awesome. Then perform search. Now, as you can see, is you see all the agencies over here. Awesome stuff. So that's how you can practically do it. As you can see, is it's sort of using a VPN. So this is an easier way to not use a VPN but also search. So it's pretty cool that in the sense that you don't need to always change your VPN. I know if you use a VPN, you wanna have to change the pin, but here it's right here, very close to you. As you can see, we can type it in South Africa as well, and then yeah, awesome. So that's how you can check for a specific word in a different location, acting as if you're in that local space. Awesome sauce. You enjoy your day. For more videos like this, like, subscribe, comment down in the description what other videos you'd like us to do, which interest you. We release videos like this on a daily, so definitely subscribe to the next video. Ciao.